Today I'm joined by Boss Guy 25GD and Internet Gaming.
Yes, this is a fun game. King of the Hill and Stronghold.
Stronghold is the map that we just played on.
Hello, Dylan.
Hello, sir.
Where do we have to go?
I just jumped off.
Die! No! No.
I just saw you fly off the edge.
Oof. I'm gonna get into the thing. Die! 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 No! It's so hard in this map. Die! 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 Ah! I almost fell off the edge of the map.
I don't even see the map anymore.
Get out of here. This is my place. I'm bronze right now.
Who's gold? Oh my gosh, I keep getting launched right off the edge.
I am king right now. Caleb's winning. No! Caleb just killed me. The Doge killed his brethren.
We are
Die!
all cousins inside of Roblox.
Oof.
Because we are all dogs.
No!
I am Cookie Dog and you two are Doges. You two are brothers.
We are brothers and you are our cousin. Oof.
Yes.
Oof.
Oh my gosh, I just flew so far. I suck at this.
What guys, what gun do you guys have? I have the pump shotgun.
I still have one, I believe. But, go to the shop.
Oof. I'm doing so good right now. Run! No! Pennsylvania operator. Pennsylvania is the best in the world! Die! Die! I got silver right now.
Equip that.
Die! Die!
I just upgraded my shotgun.
You did?
Like, a lot. I skipped like 5, 6 shotguns maybe even 7.
I'm the king! Get out of my place, boys! I am king! Avocado man! Bacon ham sandwich in my buddy's bod! I have more than a minute! I am winning right now! No. I am doing so good in this place! Bacon ham in my sandwiches, a bang!
What?
Yay!
90 seconds. Yeah, the King of the Hill round is first to 90 seconds wins.
Yay!
I didn't get the basics straight, but I'm just lying on the floor now.
Yay!
Go on the trampoline, guys. Now I got this cat.
Yay!
Where's the way in? I can't find it.
I'm shocked. How much is the? Whoa! I wonder what the best is. The best is infinite prime gun.
How much is it?
It's I think 100,000. It's Caleb.
Oh.
Caleb, my fallen brother. Oof.
Okay, let me just go buy that now.
Caleb.
Look at me, I'm having a seizure on the trampoline.
Wait.
Why do you fly so high on this trampoline? This game's ragdoll shotgun for a reason.
Hello, Caleb. Hello, Dylan. We are rivals in this game.
Boom, boom, boom.
I'm doing really good. I am the best! Now I'm my friend.
Hold on. O's case equals Hellos. Is this team death matches?
No, it's no deathmatch.
Oh.
Take this, boys! Die! 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 I have 2 kills.
This game is so hard.
No, I just got knocked! I have 3 KOs. I'm winning still.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm not winning.
Do you remember when we were playing MMX yesterday?
Yeah.
Did the murderer reset?
Yeah, because they didn't know how to play. That's why.
They were so new, they just reset.
No, I got knocked it out. Says Oh, hey, I got 2 more kills. What's up? What's up, homies? I got 2. Ah! I fell. I literally fell.
Okay.
I am the best around. No, I'm not the best, but I'm doing okay. This reminded me of when I was young. Oof, I am the best around.
If this game
No,
reminds
gonna bring me down. I am the best
when you were young,
around.
that means when you were young, you were like rolling around shooting people in the face with a shotgun.
Ah. Around, never bring me down, I am the best. Around, never gonna ever bring me down, I am the best.
Look at how I landed.
They're never gonna bring me down, I am the best. Around, they're never gonna bring me down, I am the best. Around, they're never gonna bring me down, I am the best.
I just saved myself.
They're never gonna bring me down, I am the best.
Who invented this game?
I don't know.
And why?
Somebody smart.
Yeah. This game was made by 5 idiots and 1 smart person.
That's me.
Just kidding. All of the people that made this were smart.
Because I made a good game. Ugh. Oof. I am the best around. I'm never gonna bring me down. I am the best around.
So this game was made by 5 smart people and 1 idiot. This was meant to just be a shotgun game. I'm making this up. It was meant to be a shotgun game, and then some noob came in, they hacked the server, and then turned this into this.
This is
not true.
This is legendary. This is legendary. Whoa! Oh, hey, I have 14 kills. I'm the winning.
I just watched you fly.
Ah! I am the best. Yay! Oof.
Da, 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 da.
3rd, 2nd, and 1st. I don't know how I keep winning, but I'm doing it. Cool. What do the crates do?
You open them in your inventory. Or no, in the crate section.
I got a money bag.
You get crates. You open them in your inventory.
I got another. 3rd one. Woohoo! I got a blunderbuss. Let's see. Inventory.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
What gun do you guys have?
Yeah, I have the blunderbuss and the pump shotgun, but I'm using the blunderbuss because it's good.
Where? I'm in a secret hangout area in the wall. With the table. Let's see.
No, I don't like the blunderbuss.
I have the scatter gun.
I like the pump shotgun.
We'll have the scatter gun second.
Yeah, we're doing King of the Hill.
King of the Hill.
Delivery. There's a potato being delivered for somebody. Oh, it's this map. I hate this map.
I've never played it.
It's annoying. If you touch the road, you die.
This is gonna be fun.
And I'm dead. But starts flying around.
No, I died. Oh, I died.
Did we truce?
No, if we do truce, that will be called wimps. I need to win this on my own. Ooh.
People are overtaking. Caleb, don't shoot me. We are friends. Never mind, I fell off the edge.
Oof.
Hi. Hello. You just jumped off. I'm moving up in rankings.
No, Kayla killed me.
I'm moving
What?
up the
No,
rankings.
how? No!
I am moving up the rankings.
Ugh. Darn it.
Nice. Kill it.
My gun isn't shooting. I don't know why.
I be moving up the rankings. I could win this possibly,
Kill it. You're not gonna win.
but I be moving up the rankings.
No, are you kidding me? You can't even jump! Literally. Are you guys having trouble jumping?
Nope.
It's so
Why?
annoying. I was winning, but now I'm not.
Actually, you're still in first.
You can't even jump. I'm not first anymore. Oh no, I am. What? I'm not in first? What?
Seriously, Dylan, I can't even shoot you. Whenever I even try to shoot me back.
Exactly, because
I don't even have my hand on the computer. No, I need 2 more seconds. I literally need 2 seconds. Get on the hill zone. No!
Yes! I won again!
Seconds.
Yeah!
You didn't shoot me off the edge.
Teleported me back into the map. Hold on.
I had a 30% chance of getting a basic crate and I still didn't get it.
Brr, 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 brr. Yay, I won by 2 seconds. Oh!
Why did you shoot me off? You knew you weren't going to win, so why did you end it for me?
Guys, I'm on top of the map. Look up. Look up. My fight.
Oh, oh,
How
oh.
are you up there?
I don't know.
I'm going to come for you! I'm jumping into the trampoline! Woo! Ah! Ah! That is all for this time, guys. I hope you will enjoy. Goodbye.